YouTube? Marlon Savage. And, lately I ain't really been shooting much. I don't know why, but I just haven't. So I ain't really been getting no bird kills. And today or whatever, sitting at home bored. And like last week, I was at Agent 11 house, and me and him, we were just sitting thinking about bird traps, like things. And right now, as y'all can see, I am in my backyard, so really can't do much shooting back here. Then I'm closed off right there, but I'm not so closed off right here, so people can see me. And if they say something about my gun, I can go to jail or whatever. But yeah, just look at the grass. It's been dry here in Milwaukee. Oh, but anyway, back to what I was saying. So today I was experimenting or whatever, and that right there, that's bread. You know, I just bought up some bread and just edges. It was a bigger piece, but when I came out here to do the video, I seen a bird out here. Like, there go another one. There go a piece. I had a lot of bigger pieces or whatever. But anyway, what I came out here to do was to show that's something I just made. Just a little bird feeder. Alright, y'all see it? So basically what this consists of is 2-liter bottle. I just stuck both of them together, put a hole through where the stick is. There you go. Put a hole through there, put a hole through there, and took some tape so I can hang it on the branch. And right there is some bread. I was telling y'all that they was eating bread, and I actually had the bread sitting on the stick at first, but now I don't know what happened. Hold on, I'll fix it for y'all. Hold on. Alright, so hold on, let me get y'all so y'all can see it good enough. Okay, so y'all see I got the bread just sticking on the stick, and I don't know how I got the perfect stick, but I did. Oh, but with this part I put one going across this way, put one going across this way, and I'm gonna hang it so people look, really care. So sometimes I shoot out of my window right there, or I shoot from my garage. So I'm gonna hang this, because right here you can't always get a good shot, but I'm still hang it right here. Get a nice branch. Hold on, YouTube. Alright, so it's basically just sitting there disguised, but the 2 sticks right here, I'm gonna have birds gonna sit on them or whatever. I'll break this branch right here. Okay, that's better. Like, no branches around it. Birds just gonna sit on there. They gonna just peck at the bread, as y'all can see. But yeah, they ain't been doing too much shooting lately, and if y'all subscribe to my video, like it, comment, or whatever. And my cousin, Agent 11, he got a video coming. And one more thing that I wanted to show y'all was something I brought about 2 weeks ago. It was, most of y'all should know what this is, an aloe vera plant. It's gonna be in a lot of my videos. Right now it's only 5. There's a little one growing, and right there, y'all can barely see it. But yeah, that's about it. And what else? I'm just covering up stuff. Y'all can inbox me questions and stuff. I will do videos and all that. And I don't know if y'all can see this, but I hope you can't see it. But it's a sign right there that me and Agent 11 shot at before. There's just a whole bunch of bullet holes up in it, pellet and BB holes up in it. But alright then, YouTube.